Which one is correct? I'll see you in December, I'll see you on December, or I'll see you at December? The correct answer is in. I'll see you in December. But if we add a date, then we'd say, I'll see you on December 10th. And if we add a time, then we'd say, I'll see you at 9 o'clock on December 10th. The prepositions in, on, and at are some of the most common words in English and also some of the most confusing because the rules change depending on time or place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use in, on, and at correctly, clearly, and simply. And my free gift for you is today's lesson PDF, which includes a practice quiz. Download it by clicking the link in the video description and entering your email address. Okay, let's get started. First, we'll learn how to use in, on, and at for time. We use in for months, years, decades, centuries, and general periods of the day. Think big time that's not very specific. So we say in April, in November, in the winter, in the fall, in 2021, in 1947, in the 1800s or in the 1970s, in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. We have one exception, and that is at night. We also say in the future and in the past. Again, in is for a very general, non-specific time. We use on for specific days and dates. Think calendar days. On Monday, on Tuesday, etc. On April 10th, on my birthday, on the 5th day of the month. So on is for one specific day. And we use at for exact times. Think precise moments, clock times, very specific points. At 9 o'clock, at 5 a.m., at 6:30, that means 6:30, at midnight, at noon, at 8:45. At is for exact time. So let's review. In for long or general periods, on for days and dates, at for exact times. Again, download the lesson PDF and try the quiz to check if you've mastered when to use in, on, and at. That was for time, but now let's switch to place or location. This can be even more confusing. We use in for cities, countries, rooms, buildings, and closed or limited spaces. Think either inside something or big spaces with boundaries. For example, in New York City, in Spain, in Asia, that's a continent, in the bathroom, in a restaurant, in a neighborhood, in the park. In for inside some boundaries or limits. We use on for surfaces or streets. So on Main Street, on Oakwood Avenue, on Interstate 85, that's a highway, on the table, on the wall, on the floor or on the ground, on the second floor of a building. So on a surface. Use at for specific points or locations. Think a point on a map, like addresses, specific places, and also events. For example, at the door, at the bus stop, at work, at a party, at Sarah's house, at 17 Market Street. That's a specific address. So we use at for the exact location. To review, use in for enclosed areas or large areas with limits, on for surfaces, and at for specific points. These tiny words make a big difference in how natural your English is. If you use the wrong preposition, people will still understand you, but you'll sound strange. That's why I want to make sure you can use them correctly. If you want to become a pro at using prepositions like these, come check out my brand new course, Prepositions Pro. In just 30 days, we'll learn tons of ways to use all the different prepositions in English so you can avoid mistakes and speak confidently. Click on the link in the video description to learn more about the Prepositions Pro course and sign up.